What's up, people? It's Elvis here from ElvisUptownBlogspot.com, live day trading videos, and today is July 19, 2011. And as always, to get the same watch list I use in my videos, hit up the blog in the morning. It's posted up between 8:20 and 8:40 a.m. to keep up to date with the blog. You guys know what to do. Use the subscribe buttons here. I am on Facebook, so just click the Facebook subscribe button and click like on the page. I've already liked my page, so it's the button's not going to be there, but if you haven't liked the page yet, just click that like button and you will get updates on your Facebook account page on the recent activity or whatnot. Anyway, as always, even if you guys have any questions about my trading system, click the contact button here, fill out the form, and I will get back to you via email. So anyway, the market's going to open up in about 10 minutes. Currently we are gapping up, probably due to the strong IBM number, strong IBM earnings number, and the JP Morgan number was also strong this morning, I believe. Anyway, I'll be back in about 10 minutes, so I will check out negative to positive and see what's going on with that. Alright, I did not see our negative to positive setup I like, which we need two previous days clotheslines, two of these yellow lines to almost line up together, so I don't see any stocks doing that. So we're going to sit on the hands on the open, as what we usually do anyway, and I'll be back when the market opens up. I'm sorry guys, it wasn't the JP Morgan earnings, it was Bank of America actually, so my mistake on that. So Bank came out with good earnings as well as IBM. So the market's open here, and let's get some good trade. Alright, first little trade here. Got short LVS, and it's on the proprietary setup. You just simply need to close 3-minute close below the this price, 24 cents. Try to get more here at 20 cents. So I'm short 1100 from 15. Let's see how this works out. And there it just dropped hard. I just wanted to cover and see if I could still get out. Might go lower. See if we can cover some of these 80s. And I'm out of there. It's a nice trade on the first one. Still going lower. It's a nice setup there. Could still be a re-entry. It would have to get above 45.30 to indicate a reversal. So just about anywhere in between there, if you're comfortable getting in from 45.30, you could re-enter. Probably the best place would be this 45.12 area, and a 50% retracement in this bar would be another spot, about 45.10. It's not that far from 12, so that's where I would say the ideal re-entry point on this would be, if this decides to capitulate, which it probably will. So we'll see. I might get back into this. It's possible. I just re-entered here at the whole number. It might still bounce up against me. I'm in from 98. Just on this, trying to get like a little quick 10-cent scalp. So it needs to get below 92. I figured also the whole number will be another possible re-entry point for anyone shorting it heavy. Now, this might not work. I'll still try to get more at 09. The market's on my side right now. This is our 15-minute low as well. Anyway, I'll update you guys here. It really needs to get through this 92 area. Sorry about the background noise, guys. We got the gardeners going around. I might just cover out of this in a second. Figure that 92 area is big. It could be a big buy area or cover area. Anyone that short of the 5-minute low. I just got a fill on what I wanted. That was all I wanted, was 10 cents out of it. So on to the next trade, guys. I got a fill on this BHI. Yeah, I'm in full size from what I wanted. So I'm short just 800 shares, and I'm gonna give it a penny above the high. So I have an 18 average. It's not that bad. This stock's a little bit whippy, but it could whip in our direction. A nice trade would be if it goes below the whole number. Probably get a little extra 10 to a quarter point on that. And this all might happen real fast, so just getting ready. Just gonna throw a bull crap offer out there, or bid rather. Let's see if that happens. Alright, stopped in here. Nothing really happening. I feel like I'm gonna get stopped out of it. Let's see. Alright, starting to work now. Let's see how it acts at that whole number area. And I'll update. Did get through once, and seems like it just held this fast line moving average. So these things, they usually end up looking like bull flag setups. And maybe I'm wrong on that one. Probably, I think 86 is the lowest it will go. So I'll try to cover 88. If anything, might just take the offer if it doesn't go through the whole number. Alright, just updating here. Looks like it's approaching the whole number again. It happened right here. Oil's actually the strongest sector today, as you can see over here. It's the top one, OIH. That doesn't mean it can't pull in. It's right at the whole number now. We got a 98 print, so let's see if it bounces here or if it gets flushed out, and I'll probably get that fill. Just 10 cents away now. Now we got a 23-cent profit. Should get a fill, 2 cents away on the bid. There we go, got filled. And it's a pretty simple trade there. Gave us, I guess, a little bit of pain. Not really that much though. It hit the. Actually, no, it never got close to the high. It got kind of close, 28. Over here is 27, 27, and then it was simple from there. So there was what 15 cent. 15 cent risk, and I made 30 cents on the trade, so not bad there. And as you can see, we could have got a lot more. The profit potential is definitely pretty big. As always, they are pretty nice on these $80 stocks. There you go. There's your 50 cents or 40 cents or whatever. Alright, and actually just found a setup on this BHI. The entry would actually have to be below this 72 area. So it's still, it's got a little time to set up here. Maybe in another 6 minutes we'll know. But price closed above 78.20. The setup won't be there, so we'll pass on this one. So OIH pulled back a little bit too. I'll watch this BHI on another chart, just keep it up. This LVS put in a nice reversal buy signal right here. It's getting a little bit extended, so not too sure what to do with it yet. As you can see, it's capitulating up. This probably won't be an entry here. I'd have to get a 44.60 since I don't really like risk more than 10 cents, so probably have to pass on this one. It seems like the signal is definitely going to print. Let's see, maybe we'll get hit at 60. It's possible. Try 61. The signal definitely printed there. I don't expect to fill here, but it's possible. Probably the entry point. Well, yeah, it is 60. 68, better. But I don't feel like risking that much. Being about a 20 cent risk. So I'm gonna pass on this this entry point here. If I get filled on that 61, I'll take it though. Yeah, well, the LVS seems like it's not gonna cooperate with us. Never pulled in, so it's a non-trade. I'm gonna look for other ones, see what's going on. This BHI is still hanging in. Could still get an entry here. Like I said, below. Well, it was below 75. Now it's a little bit better, 80. Got some more candles developing here. We'll get a better entry price. So I'll update you guys. Probably gonna sit. There's some alerts coming in, but I'm gonna wait for something I really like. Maybe we'll get an entry on this LVS. It's now printing a sell signal. It shouldn't, at least. Yeah, we might actually get it here. 62. I would take that. Like I was telling you guys, a 60, 67, 68. That's 50% retracement on our 3-minute candle. That would be the ideal entry point. It hasn't got to that. We got to 76. Alright, I just bought some of the LVS. I bought at that 50% retracement area. Just staying real small because I don't want to risk, it would be a 17-cent risk here. And it's working though, I'm already up 9 cents. Got down to right there, 67. I got the right fill there. So now we're up over 10. It's a free trade. 15. And I'll just take mine here. And I couldn't do it. I had that. Oh. I tried to take mine. Messed up there. Let's see, I'll hold on to it. You know what? I'm going to hold it. It's only 400 shares. Let's see, maybe this thing blasts off to the high of the day. That would be lovely. Market's ripping right now. We're on the right side. BHI is at 78.10. You know what, I'm just going to close this one off. I had from 67, 17-cent risk. I made about 20 cents, 19 cents, so I'll just take that trade. Look, it's still going though. I should have just held it, but I'll take it though. So on to the next. You know what, I'm trying this Boeing. It did come out with negative earnings. We got a low at 57, in from 69. Just gonna stay really small in this buy signal here. Might get a little bit more if it wants to pull in. No, we don't have much of a target anyway. I think the best it'll do is maybe 88. There's not even much of a range today. 60 cents. You know, I'll stay small though. Stay tiny. It was a nice entry point on this though. It was right here at 86. BHI, there's no prints above the above 20 yet, so that trade idea is still on. So I'll update here. Let's just see what happens. A minute. Let's see. You know, whereas actually the BHI trade's dead, unless a different time frame confirms. Yeah, it already made a higher high, so I'm gonna pass on this one. Boeing almost gave us 10 cents. It would have been a free trade there. Gotta get a 69 print. There we go. Free trade now. 79 print. I don't know if I said 69. So free trade. That's what we like. Let's see, maybe it goes a lot higher than what I expect, but I'll probably take my 20 cents. Yeah, we got a little 15 cents on this Boeing. We did have, I think, 19. So definite profit on this right now. I'll just probably take the 10 cents if it wants to pull in here. It is only 200 shares though, but it's not the size, it's the actual trades that I really care about. So another penny here we'll take our trade off. There it is. And I'm out. All right. Done with that. It was 19 cents actually. Got filled at 88. It's a nice little trade. Satisfied with that. Do wish I had the size, but either way, followed all the rules on that. It was pretty simple. That's what it looks like on the proprietary chart there. It's nice down move. We just waited for that buy signal. 50% retracement. That was our entry. We got in at 67. The stop was at the low at 56, and from 67 we got up to 90. So there's a nice little 23-cent profit potential there. We got 18 out of it. Anyway, on to the next, guys. Trying an entry on this reg, bidding into it at 01, and I got filled. Our stop is 97. Could give it a little bit lower, but I don't want to risk that much on this trade. So it's risking 40 bucks or 4 cents. Let's see if this thing pops. There's a nice bull flag setup. Got our buy signal. Let's see if it goes. Just one thing I don't like too much about it is it's a really weak looking downtrend here, but I do like that it's a bull flag setup. But as you could see, usually we want to see things work right away, and when they don't, that's when we get stopped out, and that's probably what's going to happen. But like I said, that's one thing I don't like about this. Let me see if I could pull it up. That's gonna looks the same. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here. So we took the stop, actually got a fill at 96. Well, that's okay. So we basically just erased our Boeing our Boeing profits. I should have loaded up on that one and not the one I disliked. Anyway, on to the next. And we got a similar one right here on this RRC. I'm gonna take it, just gonna stay really small. Stop out on this is well, it's right here. So you see these ones I don't like that I'm taking, they're not working. Weak trend there. It's pretty obvious to me. Could have gave it a better stop though. We have a price point at 56, but really didn't see it making any sense to risk 30 cents. Let's see what else I could do. If I think if I get below 700, I'm gonna call it a day. It's gonna get really hot today, and I don't want to sit on my computer. Alright, trying this LVS again. This is the one that's been making me money. Let's see if I get a fill here at 93. I should probably give this one a little bit more. Alright, I got filled. I don't really want to give it 10 cents, but I'm going to do that. Just give it 10 cents, and if I take a loss, this will be the last trade, and I'll update you guys. We got a nice price on it, so not bad at all. So I'll update. It's kind of a little scary right now. It might stop us out. So feeling a little pain right now. Market did just make a new high, I believe. But this, I like the profit potential on this. It's going to be about 69. It's a nice little trade there. I like the setup too. Bear flag. Let's see if it works though. Alright, LVS printed. Got a signal printed there that went against our trade, so I got out just with a $10 loss, a 1 penny loss there. So I might just call it a day here unless I see something I love. So I'll be back maybe with another trade, or might just call it a day. Alright, I had to take this one. It's just so nice looking. Long from 22. I'm gonna give it a penny below the previous day's close. I'll give it 2 pennies. So if I lose on this one, it seems like it's gonna be the last trade. But it's a nice one, a nice little down move there, and I know steel's been strong today, so it's a nice pullback, fill the gap, and maybe it'll capitulate up from here. Give us a quarter point trade at the least. Sell update. Alright, now quickly we're up 10 cents basically. Just putting my offer out there. I'll just close it out. Sell update. And it's basically a free trade now. $0.09, 10 cents. It's pretty much the same. So let's see if it goes now. Yeah, the ags are really strong. MOS, nice move right there through the highs. This is lagging a little bit behind. Anyway, I'll update my X trade. Looks like this is not where everyone's throwing their money. But all in all, right now it's a free trade for me, so there's no risk on the table. It's all profit management from here. There goes X. Got a nice 15 cents right now. Feeling a little greedy, trying to get a nice profit out of it. Maybe we'll bounce all the way up to this 200 period moving average, but definitely a free trade right now. Almost even up 20 cents. I might just close out my day right here. Yeah, might as well. So I'm out of that. It'll probably still go. Now you see I got a 38 fill. We're already 3 cents higher. So just trying to see where my initial stop was. Yeah, see, there goes this thing. I say it gets at least up to this 15-minute low, which is at 50. Right there. Alright, the stop was at 14, so I had I think it was a 6 cent risk. Yeah, right, 22 average, 14, 6 cents. Rather 8 cents. There goes a street sweeper again today. So yeah, not a bad trading session here. 140 in commissions right there. So as always, hope you guys enjoyed the video. To keep up to date with the blog, use the subscribe buttons. Just to reiterate, I am on Facebook, so just hit up the Facebook button. Click the like button on the Facebook page. And also, if you guys have any questions about my trading practices, just click the contact button. Feel free to ask any questions you guys got. Fill out the form, and I'll get back to you via email. So leave a valid email address. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was a pretty nice last trade for me. So we didn't really go through much of any pain. So decent trading session considering the economic news that we had on the eco calendar. Is really not much. We had the housing starts at 8:30 a.m. A bunch of earnings. We do have Apple after the close, so most likely they'll probably blow earnings away, but it could be priced in because people might have been expecting that already. So there could be an Apple sell-off tomorrow or pre-market, even if it's good earnings, since it would be priced in. And tomorrow on the eco calendar, we have some stuff coming out at 10 o'clock, so it'll also probably be a interesting trading session, even Thursday. So I might record videos of those trading sessions as well. So anyway, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and like I said, if you have any questions, just click the contact button. I will get back to you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you guys got something out of it, and see you guys on the next one. Thanks.